Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Yamaha Majesty 125. It's not one of our usual bikes, it's a trade-in, and so it was sold as seen, and the price reflects the condition of the bike also. Mechanically it's absolutely perfect. We've had a look at it. Tyres are good also, so it's ready to go. Just aesthetically it's not as nice as it could be. So front tyre, as I said, very nice, nearly new. Front mudguard has its scrapes as well. Onto the front panel here we have a mark underneath here, missing bolt, so we just covered it so no moisture can get in. Marks along the right hand side of the bike here. Footwells area is actually all very nice, and then getting back to the here, some marks and scrapes. Again, has side stand and maid stand, no holes or anything in the exhaust, all very good. Majesty 125 has just started spitting rain, sorry about that. Little mark on the back tail there, underneath here, all very good. Brakes and indicators all working. 2002 bike. And then on the side stand and main stand, marks along here too, nothing along the top, as you can see. Marks along the left hand side of the bike here now. Two mirrors. Electric start also. I will start her up now. Hold on, I'll first show you the room underneath the seat. Plenty of room underneath the seat here. This side stand up. So, starts first time, that's from cold. This side stand down now. You can see it. There we go. Okay. So that's the bike. As I said, it's a trade-in, so it's not kind of up to our usual standard here at Retro Bikes Dublin aesthetically, but mechanically all very good. Front and rear tyres good, brakes good, engine good, and it's ready to go. So if you're interested in a bike like this, it'll be up for sale on our Facebook page and our Done Deal page at Retro Bikes Dublin.